Hey there. Subscribe to my channel. And also press this bell icon, so you never miss any new updates.
Hello everybody and welcome to my channel Cooking Addiction. I hope you all are enjoying this rainy season. Today I have got another simple dish which you all will find on streets during rainy season. That is none other than your grilled corn on the cob. To make this dish you will need 2 sweet corns unpeeled, 1 teaspoon red chili powder, half teaspoon cumin seed powder, 1 teaspoon salt, 1 whole lemon cut into wedges. So you start by peeling off the husk of the corn. Mix the masalas and the salt together. On an open flame, grill the corn until charred on all sides. You can also grill the corn in the oven or on the charcoal, but I find this is the quick and simple method. So once the corn is grilled, you take the lemon wedge and squeeze out the juice in the masala. Then you take the lemon wedge and dip it in the masala and nicely rub it on all the sides of the corn. So this is the simple way how you can prepare grilled corn on the cob during rainy season. If you don't like masala, you can only use butter as well. I hope you all like this video, and if you have any questions and suggestions, you can comment below. Till then, I will see you next time in my next video.